बट क्या रत्ना
will be against
रवीन आज बिल्कुल वेद पाठी साथ को मिस कर रहे हैं और पवन अवेलेबल होंगे बट कहूंगा मैं रत्नागिरी में क्योंकि इन डिफेंडर भी मिल गए आपको वहां पर श्रेयस शिंदे बट यहाँ गलती हुई है। यहाँ ध्यानेश्वर शेलके से गलती हुई और साथ ही साथ भूषण भी वहां पर साथ देने के आए थे और
from Puducherry. Right, he can also raid, is it? Oh my God, he's been tackled out. He does not cross the midline. He touches it. What a nice block from the left cover. A nice combination being put across by Chandrasekhar, the coach. Ishwar Padade goes in deep, gets his.
इसे अटैक करेंगे क्या गणेश गीता के विरुद्ध इसकी बैटल में अपने पहले पॉइंट लेंगे।
No, there we go. That's the plan. Left cover moves out. Left corner comes. The all out now. Super tackle. 1 point for sure. Definite point there. Tries on a couple of times to go for the dash.
पर 6-2 भूषण जानते हैं कि उन्हें भी पकड़ा जाएगा कि एटलीस्ट बोनस चुरा पाए हैं या फिर नहीं।
Has got that bonus point. No doubt there. Yeah, thankfully they move on to 4. That's why they've been eliminated now. Shreyas Shinde. Ankle hold attack and can kick. Anti-blocks. Couple of points here. Right. Ankle hold. That's it.
शिंदे को थोड़ा शांत रखा है अभी तक रत्नागिरी ने। हो सकता है कि अगले 20 मिनट में उनका ज्यादा उपयोग करें बट उनका पोकाले इज नाउ इन द गेम। इस बार सिंगल
So important. Ishwar Patade. Once again in a do-or-die raid. Watch out. That one tackle is what the coach wanted. And that is not the way to do it. Ankle hold. Once again Praveen runs away. That's his.
फिर से लेफ्ट कवर पर अटैक। आज राइट कॉर्नर को उन्होंने बिल्कुल अटैक नहीं किया। लेफ्ट कवर या फिर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर को अटैक कर रहे हैं केवल।
Where they eliminated Raigad and now a do-or-die raid. Super tackle.
क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके किसी न किसी रेडर को बुलाया जा सकता था वेद पाटिल या फिर और कोई प्लेयर क्योंकि आविष्कार का तो शिकार बना है। नंबर 6 जर्सी। इस बार तो प्रवीण ने टैकल में भी अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है और बैकअप मौजूद होता है। अपनी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ को लगातार टूर्नामेंट और फॉर्मेट को ऐसे ही फ्रेम अप करती है कि हमारी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ हमेशा तैयार रहे। वैसे यहाँ पर उन्हें 2 अंकों से वहां पर हारना पड़ा था पर ईश्वर पटादे को शिकार बनाना पड़ेगा। इनका आगे का रास्ता यहीं से गुजरेगा बट श्रीपद कुंबर भी अब अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस है।
If they can keep the Raiders quiet. Surprise tackle. Wow. This has been the hallmark of Nashik. Comes in from that right in this time. 1 point. This is just throwing into the grinder. This is what it means. You don't have to take a risk with Praveen or Ishwar Patade. You have a third raider in the team. Send him in. If he gets a point, luckily that's okay. But if he gets, is not going to attack him. What did we discuss in the show as well? You know, with Meghali out there, Abhishek Shinde is that sort of a defender who will get all the points when the defense attacks him. And now it's a do-or-die raid. Ishwar Patade needs to go himself into the grinder. And Avishkar Palkar will come across in a flash. Time to bring on Ved Patil. I'm saying and do something that he's not done the entire series here in this 2024. That's it, simple do-or-die raid. They don't even give him a time to check what's happening. He says, listen, guys, I was actually hiding my weapon. It's like a bio war on Ratnagiri. You'd never know where the virus is attacked.
में खेला है ज्यादा वहां पर बोनस अलाउ करने का मौका दिया नहीं है। नासिक किसी भी रेडर को ईश्वर पटादे के लगाने का प्रयास। अभिषेक
Just gave away an extra point. But I'm not keeping my hopes alive. But once again, now look at this. Wow! Dhyaneshwar Shelke changes the position. He needs to perform also. See, even now there is some time. If Parikshit Shinde can bring on Ved Patil, it'll be nice. Super tackle becomes the first ever tackle mode. It's jersey pull by Praveen. So super tackle is legal. First ever time he's been tackled out in this match.
बिल्कुल
Harshit, tell me something. In the entire official panel, that's a nice tackle again. But for that, Paras Patil, who's come in as a raider, will only attempt a bonus point. That's it. Nothing apart from that. Ganesh Gite will say enough. Go kill again. Praveen, he is coming with an ego factor to go out there and get some points. No, he can't struggle. His little bulkiness has now proved against him. Right, that's the second time Praveen has been put down in less footwork and no. Now, what did Parikshit Shinde say? He said, 3 minutes, just get me 1 point in each raid. At least get me 1 point in each raid, then we'll see what can be done. But the defense of Nashik today has not put a foot wrong. Oh, he's gone into the lobby. He said, no, touch point.
ही रेडर्स को शुरुआत से करना चाहिए था। अमर सिंह कश्यप एक बार फिर से है, 4 का हाउस एक लोना देना पड़ेगा नासिक पर, यानी कि ऑल आउट पॉइंट देने पड़ेंगे
Go for it. The coach said,
क्योंकि उसके बावजूद अगर 3 अंक यहाँ पर मिले तो भी 3 अंकों की बढ़त रहेगी। ये मेरे
Alone. Can he go through? Amar Singh Kashyap. Yes, the all out has been inflicted. Wow. Just imagine if Ganesh Gite wouldn't have got that touch point. It would have. Don't give him a touch point. That's all. More importantly, just save your legs, save the defenders. Oh! To cross the balk line, where you only would play with a 3-pointer raid. Now, 1, 2, 3. Yes,
Oh!
yes, and easy touch.
नासिक हुआ है, यानी कि पहले 24 मिनट पास